Quick question. When your phone rings and you don't recognize the number, do you answer it? Because most of the time it's spam, and when it's not spam, you still hesitate. And here's the crazy part. Your iPhone can now answer those calls for you. It can ask the caller what they want and only let them through if it's actually important. This is a real thing, and it's already on your phone, and almost nobody uses it. See, spam calls are out of control right now. There are fake banks, fake deliveries, and fake urgent calls. And you can't just ignore all unknown numbers, because sometimes there's actually something important. It may be your doctor, it may be your delivery guy, or potentially a client. Basically, someone trying to reach you for a legit reason. So the annoying part is that every call becomes a guess. That is a big problem that Apple just fixed. Apple added a feature that handles unknown callers for you. And here's how it works. Imagine a number you don't know calls you. You don't pick up, but your phone picks up instead. It asks the caller who they are and why they are calling. All you do is stay quiet. You just look at your screen. Your iPhone literally shows you what the caller says in real time. So if it is spam, they usually hang up right away, and if it's someone real, they usually explain themselves. And once they do, you can decide whether or not you want to answer. So it removes all the guessing, it removes all the awkward calls, and there's no wasted time anymore. So the cool thing is that you will still continue getting important calls, but you stop dealing with the garbage. Your phone does the annoying part while you're staying focused. Once you turn this on, you notice how often your phone rings for absolutely no reason. And this is the best part of it all. You don't need any apps. All you do is open your settings, you go to phone, and you turn on call screening or screen unknown callers. There are no setup or subscriptions, and especially no tech skills required. It's literally just a toggle. Now the big question is it perfect? Definitely not. Some real callers may sound awkward, and it's not available in every country yet. But even with that, it is a massive upgrade over answering random numbers all day long. And to be honest, this is actually a great example of something way bigger. This is voice AI working in a real-life scenario. It is not a hype or a buzzword. It is just AI handling annoying conversations so that humans don't have to. And this is exactly the kind of stuff we teach inside of our community. How to use voice AI and how to build with it. And even more importantly, how to turn it into real opportunities. Whether that's automating calls or building voice assistants or even creating systems like this for businesses. If you want to learn more about voice AI and how it is changing the game, I've got a video linked below that walks you through how you can start your very own voice AI agency. It is a great place to start if you're curious about seeing the potential and if you want to see whether or not you can make this technology actually work for you. Click the link below in the description and check it out. And at the very least, turn on this call screening feature and stop answering spam calls today.